Hi, in this video, I'm going to solve past paper extended June series 2021. So we need to simplify it. So before we simplify it, we can factorize it. So here it is. So this is x squared minus by 25. This is comes from x squared minus by 5 squared. Then we can simplify it as x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Okay, here is x minus 5, x plus 1. Now we got x squared minus by x minus by 4. We need to find two numbers. When we add, this is equal to negative 1. However, when we multiply, this need to be negative 20. So x, another x. So yeah, we found it, minus 5 and plus by 4. Here also x minus 5, x minus 4. Because if we divide, we just cross x minus 5. So we got the remaining x plus 5. We divided by x minus 4. Okay, continue. Write as a single fraction in its simplest form. Okay, the numerator are not equal. We can multiply. So first fraction, we will multiply by x minus 1. The second fraction, we multiply by x. So this is x plus 5. We multiplied by x minus 1. We divided by x. And here is x minus 1 plus by x plus 8, we multiply by x. Then x minus 1, we multiply by x. Okay, let's proceed. The denominator are equal. So here expanded, x squared plus by 5x minus x and minus 5 plus by x squared plus by 8x. We divided by, here are equal, so this is x squared minus by x. So let's proceed. So x squared with x squared, so we got to x squared, 5x minus x, 4, so this plus 12x minus 5 over x squared minus x. Okay, so let me write it here. So this is 2x squared plus by 12x minus 5. We divided by x squared minus x. This is the simplest form or the final answer. Okay, 7c, find the dy dx. Okay, so here is the power multiplied by 2. So you got as 6. x3, we minus it by 1. So this is to the power of 2. 2 multiplied by negative 4. This is negative 8x. And then 2 minus it by 1 equal to 1. Okay, if there is no x here, that is mean x to the power of 0. And 0 we multiply by 6, gonna be 0. So we can keep it like this. Okay, calculate the gradient of the curve at x equal to 4. So dy dx, we got it. dy dx equal to 6x squared minus 8x. So at x equal to 4, just substitute. So 6, and then this is 4 squared minus by 8 multiplied by 4. So 6 multiplied by 16, we minus it by, 8. Here 8 multiplied by 4. So we got as 32. So 6 multiplied by 16 equal to 96 minus by 32. So the gradient equal to 64. Okay, find the coordinates. Okay, of the two stationary points on the curve. Okay, stationary point is when dy dx equal to 0. So here is 0 equal to 6x squared minus by 8x. We can factorize it. Take it out 2. Sorry, here's 2. And then this is 2x. This is x minus by 4. Is it? No, it's 3x minus by 4. is 2x times 6x squared. Okay, there it is. Equal to 0. So we got as 2x equal to 0 and 3x minus 4 equal to 0. So the first coordinate x equal to 0, we can substitute into the y equation. So this is y equal to, let me check, 2x cubed minus by 4x squared and plus by 6. We substitute x equal to 0, 2 and 0, 4 of 3, 4, 0 squared plus by 6, so y equal to 6. So the first coordinate went 0.6. Okay, another coordinate, we got x equal to 4 over 3. Let us find the value of y. We substitute it here when x equal to 4 over 3, so it's 2. 4 over 3 cubed minus by 4, and this is 4 over 3 square plus by 6. Okay, here is 2, 4 square is 64, 27 minus by 4 is 16 over 27 plus by 6. Okay, so 64 multiplied by 2, so you got as 128 over 27 minus by 4 times 16 is 64 over 27 plus by 6. Let us make it to be over 27. So 6 times 27 is 162 over 27. Okay, the numerator are equal, so we can keep it as 27. Yeah, minus 4. My bad. This is 3 square equal to 9. 64 over 9. So the numerator are not equal yet. So however, we can multiply it by 3. This fraction we multiply by 3. Bottom also is 128 over 27 minus 64 times 3 is 192 over 27 plus by 162 over 27. Okay, the denominator are equal now. So we can just add and minus the up number 128, we minus by 192 plus by 162. So we got as 98. This is the simplest form. Yeah, we cannot simplify. So 4 over 3.98 over 27. Okay, number 8. Okay, complete the cumulative table. Okay, 10 is 3. 25, 3 plus 19, this is 22, and then 22 plus by 21 is 43, 43 plus by 5 is 48, and the last plus by 2 equal to 50. Okay, on the grid. Okay, starting with the first point, K 10. 3, where is 10? Okay, this is 3. And this is 22, 25, 22, 25, 35.43. Where is 35? 3. And then 40 with 48. And the last 50 with 50. There it is. You can just connect it. Starting from 0. Okay, there we go. The curve. Use your diagram to find and estimate the number of children with a mass of 32. Okay, here is 32. We can just draw it. Let me use a ruler. So here it is, 32. Okay, the estimate is 38. 38. Okay, this cumulative frequency diagram show information about the height each 100 students. Okay, here is the 100 students. On this grid, draw a box of we shall plot the height of 100 students. So as the here the shortest is 1.45, so 1.45 here. This is the shortest one. Then the highest is 1.83, 1.83. Okay, let us find the quartile 1, 2, and 3. So 100, we multiply by 1 over 4. This is as quartile 1. Go to 25. So 25 is here, make a straight line. Okay, this is 1.57. So to 1.57, where is this 1.57 here? So let's make it 1.57. Then the quartile 2 or the median 100 is 2 over 5, which is 50. 50 is here. Moment. 20, so this is 30. So 25. Yeah, around here. Yeah, 1.57. Okay, this is 50. Straight line. Okay, 1.64. So 1.64. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Here, 6, 4. 6, 4. Then the quartile 3 is 100 multiplied by 3 over 4 is equal to 75. So this is 70 and 75. Here is 1.71. So 1.71 is here. Okay, there you go. So here is the shortest. This is the tallest. Q1, Q2, and Q3. Okay, there it is. Thank you.